Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In case you're seeing this channel for the very first time, my name is Angel and I'm a blogger based in Lagos State, Nigeria. I made videos around our celebrity lifestyle. I talk about some of the happenings in Nigeria and also a talk show. So guys, today I'm going to be giving you guys updates on what's popping. Obi Cubana, owner of one of the most popular club we have in Nigeria, lost his mom few months back, and the woman's burial is set to happen this week, and a lot of his friends, associates and also his family surprised him with huge number of cows. Guys, this is mad. Like, this is real mad. Like, no one has ever gifted any important or influential person in Nigeria this number of cow. Like, this guy is really breaking record. That is why they say in this life it is very, very good to be good. Like, it is good to be good, okay? Because I'm sure it was because of his niceness that made people come for him like this. Obi Cubana, who is the CEO of Cubana Club, he has branches all over the world. And guys, popular barman, yes, our popular barman, Cubana chief priest, also surprised him with a full trailer of cow. Like, guys, 46, no be audio. This one no be audio. This one happen. Like, he choke. Like, look at it, a trailer of cow, which has about 46 cows only for him. And guys, do you know why he did it? He said the reason why he did this for, I'm going to be putting the right up he made on his Instagram handle. Let it not be as if somebody is for me, okay? He said, I will never forget the role you played 5 years ago at my mom's funeral. Now, after this very day, I begin follow Obi Cubana. 5 years later, it's my turn to come to Oba to lay my grandmother to rest. Get your popcorn ready. It's about to be a big Netflix movie. I'm coming with the cinema. History will never forget. Adieu, Mama Cubana. We love you so much. If you don't know this man, it means say you never know person. Davido's reaction was wow.
Wallahi. Hey.
Good. Who wants to buy? What's the other one? Ram. This thing is too much. I need to shift too before they will give me race. The thing is too much. Thank you guys for everybody that has supported Obi Cubana. Thank you guys. Thank you. This is overwhelming. This is too much. The cows are still coming. Look. Oh my God.
The cow is coming.
Still coming, no. Still coming, no. Wow.
Come on, come on.
Yankee.
Drop off.
Obi Cubana. Nah,
Wash.
Two cows down. Thank you.
Odugu.
Arrow, 2 cows down. Thank you. Good morning, officer. I'll see you. So I hope I'm entertaining you guys. Good morning, sir. Thank you. So if you want to chop cow, start coming to Oba. Oh, Ibia, Wale.
So early.
You came?
So early.
Welcome.
Please don't leave us.
I haven't seen a Wale cow here.
Cow. Only don't pass cow. I
No
don't do
cow.
cow. I don't do.
See, are you serious?
I don't do cow.
What do you
I
do?
Benjamin.
Dorime?
It's all about the Benjamin. It's all
Dorime?
about the Benjamin.
You have network. How do you have network? I don't have. Yeah, network is good. So guys, morning. Well done. You came. Welcome. So guys, well done. Okay. I'll see you guys again. Let me stop now. Good morning. Thank you. So I just wanted to show you cow.
Good morning, ma.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma.
Scar.
Ma.
Dave. I see you guys.
Fine.
Inside. So see you guys again. We're walking. So I just came to show you the cow. We're walking, plenty work. Bye. We'll come back again. Morning, officers. Morning. I could this.
You know blogs here, my so